My name is Heather Purcell, and I'm the Director of Product Marketing on the Brand Partnerships team here at LTK. I started with LTK over 9 years ago. I started on the sales side here at our Dallas headquarters. I've then moved into a product marketing role, which has really been incredible to really work across our organization and see all the different amazing tools that we're building for brands and creators to really grow on all sides of our business. I really feel empowered as a woman here at LTK in the workplace because we have an amazing leadership team. They are so incredible. They really let us take our ideas and run with them. And we're really challenged to grow this business and change the industry day after day. I love being a woman in tech, especially as a mom of a daughter, because I really want her to know and see me grow to these new heights and know that she can do whatever it is that she wants to do. You know, as a woman in the workplace, sometimes you walk into a client meeting and you might be the only woman in the room. So here at LTK, that usually doesn't happen. There's a lot of representation here that has people from all different walks of life and a lot of women, which I love.